Hello, friends. Welcome back to part 2. Today, it's your turn to write your very own sentences. You're going to remember 3 things. Is it a complete sentence? Remember, a complete sentence has to have a noun, a person, place, or thing, and a verb or an action word. Could also be a helping verb like is or are if it's connecting the sentence together to make sense. Remember also, it has to start with a capital letter. That is very important. The rest of your letters should be lowercase unless it's a proper noun. Remember, a proper noun is the name of a person, a place, or a thing. Then it also has to have an end mark. Now, your slides will say the word period because most of the sentences that we have been writing have been a period. But let's say you ask a question. Well, make sure that you use a question mark and make sure that you also, if you write a sentence with a lot of emotion or feeling, you could use an exclamation mark. So I will add that to your slides as well so that you can remember that is more than one option. You're going to choose. You will have 4 choices. You're going to choose 2 of them. You do not have to do all 4, but you're going to choose 2. Today you could write about a pumpkin. You could write about a bat, candy, or night. You can choose which one of these words that you would like to write about. You're going to choose 2. Choose 2 words to write about. Then you're going to write the sentence in your journal, and then you will post a picture on the slide that it matches with. So if you write a sentence in your journal about a pumpkin, use the check mark list here to help you decide, did you do all the things that you need? Then, after you've written it in your journal or on your whiteboard, you could do that as well, you're going to post a picture of it here on that slide if you wrote about the pumpkin. If you want to draw a picture of it to go along with your sentence, you can. If you wrote about a bat, you're going to post it here. If you wrote about candy, you're going to post it here. And if you wrote about night, you would post it here. Remember, to meet your goal today, your sentences must have a noun and a verb. They have to make sense. They have to have a capital letter at the beginning, and the rest of the letters need to be lowercase unless you use a proper noun. And it must have an end mark. So it could be a period if you are just telling something. It could also be a question mark or an exclamation mark, depending on the kind of sentence you write. Be sure to post a picture of each sentence. Remember, how many sentences are you writing? Good listening. 2. Can't wait to see what you're writing today.